Welcome to the world of Southwest helicopters, offering the only way to appreciate the true enormity of the southern fjords. Southwest offers a wide variety of scenic flights, which include the Humpridge Track, the Percyburn Viaduct, and stunning aerial views of bush-clad mountains and tarns. For the adventure-minded sportsperson, helicopter access can also be provided to remote hunting and fishing grounds, comparable to the best in the world, even if it requires your boat to go with you. Enjoy the best of both worlds. Why not combine a jet boat and helicopter tour down the Wairau-Rahiri River to the wild Fiordland coast? As well as the base at Tuatapere, Southwest Helicopters also operate from Tianau with a variety of scenic flights to view the Southern Alps. Prepare to be amazed as the sheer solitude and beauty of the Humpridge Track opens before you. Spread over 54 breathtaking kilometres, its scenery is unrivaled and unspoilt. From forest ways to waterways, from dense native bush to chisel-carved mountains and outcrops, this unique helicopter experience will leave you with a lifetime of memories. One of the many optional highlights is the Okaka Hut stopover, just a brief walk away to some amazing views, which include limestone outcrops and tarns, virgin podocarp forests, and stunning coastal scenery. Your next stop is the Percyburn Viaduct. Built in the 1920s, it stands 36 metres high and 125 metres long. It's the largest surviving wooden viaduct in the world, and it's recognised as one of New Zealand's foremost engineering feats. It forms part of an historic and unique bushwalk known as the Humpridge Track. The further option is to link with the Humpridge jet boat adventure. It gives yet another perspective of this magnificent area. Go by air, come back by river, or vice versa. Our homeward journey includes a flyover of the old milling town of Port Craig, before sweeping along the Southland coast back to Tuatapere. While the Humpridge Track adventure departs from our Tuatapere headquarters, we also accommodate flights of the breathtaking Southern Alps from our base in Tianau. The Alps themselves are world-renowned, from their magnificent snow-capped peaks to their deep ravines and crystal-clear lakes. They sit on the must-do list of international travellers, photo enthusiasts and film crews the world over. A flight with Southwest Helicopters will complete your Southland experience. And for those who pursue the outdoor lifestyle of tramping, kayaking, fishing, hunting and heli-skiing, our friendly and experienced team will fly you to any destination or help you choose from one of the many affordable flight options. Southwest Helicopters, memories that will last a lifetime.